How to send large files on Dropbox. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your Dropbox application. Then you're going to be clicking on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. I'll be creating a new folder just to organize my contents. So I'm going to tap on create new folder and then I'll name this content and create. Now after creating, I'll tap on contents because I have other folders there, and then I'm going to tap on upload. Now where would you like to upload from? For me, I'll tap on files. And so guys, you want to select the file that you would like to upload, and then I'll select, and as you can see, it's uploading on my Dropbox. And guys, this is how you can easily send large files on Dropbox. So now you can go ahead and share this particular file with whoever you would like to send it to. Now if this video was helpful to you, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now see you in my next video. Bye.